back to my channel now. So today we are going to talk about how machines are becoming intelligent. We cannot question that machines are already intelligent and working as a human being. They have been trained like that they are ready to work as a human being, and we as a human being are ready to use it as well. Now how they are becoming intelligent? Machine में इतनी ज़्यादा intelligent power आ कहाँ से रही है? कैसे ये आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस बेस्ड डिवाइसेस, सीरी हो गई, एलेक्सा हो गया, टेस्ला कार और एनी अदर डिवाइसेस, दोज हु आर एआई बेस्ड, हाउ दे आर बिकमिंग इंटेलिजेंट. So there are few techniques which is making it intelligent, and we will discuss about those techniques that is given in your book also. So go and check out in your book as well, class 10 students basically, and you can relate to the topic which I am discussing right now. So the first thing is that machines are becoming intelligent by machine learning. Now what is machine learning? Machine learning क्या है? Machine learning, as a name is itself saying, that learning where the machines are tend to learn themselves. Now learning is done by the machine itself, and how it is possible? The data which we are feeding into the machine, the questions which we are asking from the machine, all the time we are working on the machines. So as many type of questions you are asking, sometimes it happens when we are ready to type anything, automatically the same questions arises or comes which we are about to ask, and we think कि ये question यहाँ पे कैसे आ गया, मशीन को कैसे पता चला कि मुझे यही question का आंसर चाहिए था. So that is called machine learning. Machine learning आपके techniques है, like a human being which by the practice they learn by themselves. अपने अनुभव से ह्यूमन बीइंग सीखता है. लाइक वी नो दैट अगर हम रास्ते में चल रहे हैं और कहीं गड्ढा है तो हम गिर जाएंगे, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम हमें पता है कि उस रास्ते में गड्ढा है तो हम वहाँ नहीं जाएंगे. सेम वे we learn from our mistakes. So same way the data which are given, which are feed into the devices, the device tend to learn from those data. So that is called as machine learning. Now the next thing which is making these machines so much intelligent, that is deep learning. Now there is again a question arising, that difference between deep learning and machine learning. So we'll discuss it later on. First of all, let us see कि deep learning क्या है. Deep learning means learning into the depth. Learning process is going in depth. Now suppose if I have to learn the definition of computer, what is computer, so that I have done as a machine. मैंने पूरा रट्टा मार दिया उसको मशीन की तरह, because मेरे एग्जाम्स है, मुझे उसमें आंसर लिखना है, what is computer, right? But now when I am not interested in learning only what is computer. I want to know more about computer. I want to know about the generation, how it came, who is the father of computer, all the things. So that is called going into the depth of the learning process. So that is called depth learning. Same way computer, the AI based devices also do deep learning. Now deep learning वो कैसे करते हैं AI devices? They divide the things into a different process and try to relate the data, process it, and then give you the information via neural networks. अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है न्यूरल नेटवर्क. न्यूरल नेटवर्क के हेल्प से ही डीप लर्निंग पॉसिबल है. अब न्यूरल नेटवर्क क्या है? न्यूरल नेटवर्क के 3 फेज होते हैं. एक इनपुट होता है, एक हिडन फेज होता है, हिडन, एंड थर्ड इज आउटपुट. इनपुट मीन्स जिसमें यूजर इनपुट डेटा देता है, जिसमें मशीन डेटा कलेक्ट करती है, राइट? मशीन डेटा कलेक्ट कर रही है, उसके बाद वो उसको प्रोसेस कर रही है, तब आपको आंसर दे रही है. सो दैट form of network in which the data is being connected together and machine is giving you relevant answer. Now take an example. Suppose I have asked a question to a computer. Now there are a lot of answers in computer. डेटाबेस में बहुत सारे आंसर है, लेकिन relevant to my question, when the machine is able to get the answer, process the information and give the information to me, that is called as deep learning. Machine is going in the depth of the learning process, try to extract the data related to my question, processing and giving me the answer in my language. Now in my language, again, which is my language in which the machine is processing the data, that is NLP, which is the next part how machines are becoming intelligent. Because machines are willing, machines are able to interact in a natural language processing. They are tend to you can say drive like that they understand our language as a human being. वो हमारी language समझ रहे हैं as a human being, the language which we are speaking, in which we are trying to expect, we are expecting the answer, right? नाउ व्हेन वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग द आंसर कि मेरा जो क्वेश्चन है मुझे इसी क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड आंसर चाहिए, तो वो मशीन जब डेप्थ लर्निंग करता है, डीप लर्निंग करता है, मशीन खुद ब खुद सीख तो रहा ही है हमारे लर्निंग प्रोसेस से, हमारे डेटा फीडिंग प्रोसेस से, जो कि मशीन लर्निंग है, पर जब वो डेप्थ में उसके जाता है और वो ट्राई टू रेलिवेट और यू कैन से रिलेट द डेटा कि हाँ इसका आंसर यही होना चाहिए। जैसे कभी कभी हम भी सर्च करते हैं आंसर, बहुत सारे आंसर जब हमारे सामने होते हैं, सो वी गेट कन्फ्यूज एंड वी ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट कि ये मेरा आंसर है, यही मेरा रेलिवेंट आंसर है। सो सेम वे जब मशीन इस तरीके से वर्क करती है तो उसको कहते हैं हम डीप लर्निंग, और वो डीप लर्निंग करती है और वो आंसर प्रोसेस करके वो जो नेटवर्क फॉर्म होता है दैट इज न्यूरल नेटवर्क विच इज लेटिंग द मशीन टू डू इट। वो जो कनेक्शन फॉर्म होता है नेटवर्क में कि वो डेटा ले रही है, उसको प्रोसेस कर रही है, तुम्हारे लिए रेलेवेंट आंसर निकाल रही है, तब उस तुम्हें आंसर दे रही है। सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूरल नेटवर्क एंड थ्रू विच द आंसर इज गिवन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग। सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज NLP, which is also one of the important part which is making the machine intelligent, because machine is able to understand your communication process, understand your language and give you the answer. Now the last thing which is making the machine very much intelligent, that is computer vision. Now machines are designed like that also, that it can understand the different kind of image and bifurcate the different objects which are used in that image. So now machines are also that much intelligent, you can say. Machines are that much intelligent that they can understand a particular image, read the image as well, and then bifurcate what all the things are there in the image. You can see that a lot of filters are there available nowadays online when we are making videos. Lot of things are available. Totally the background is being changed by the machines. You cannot even realize, you cannot even match the person who is exactly existing and the person which you are seeing in the photograph. Right, so that is all computer vision. So these are the 5 basic key points which is making our machine intelligent, which is making AI intelligent, and AI is moving towards, and you can say following the race of human being and becoming so intelligent as human being. They are going to help us also, and maybe in future they will be our competitors. Okay, I hope you have understood this lecture, student. If you have any query, then mail me on my mail ID, or you can message me as well, and let me know any topic if you want me to make a video on any particular topic. Till then, stay safe and healthy, enjoy your holidays, and don't forget to subscribe.